Hello guys, this is another backpack I've did. This time I've chosen white and black. Very simple, very easy. I've applied 5 coats of white until I was able to cover it, and it pretty much turned out quite well actually. I thought that being blue, it's not going to need a lot of colors, so yeah, that's pretty much it. The line work with black was the most tedious. I had to add all of the lines in here, and it took quite a while to get this through. And here I've done, like, as you can see, again, some line work. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Very simple, very light. I'm just trying out all sorts of designs with these backpacks. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.